Right, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Bonk update today. Daily time frame. Yesterday we talked about this tweezer bottom, and it seems like we did get a good result out of it. So you had the tweezer bottom out there, and all of a sudden you actually started to pump to the upside. Now, what's even better is that the daily time frame here is being held by the 10 EMA, as I showed you in the previous videos as well. So today, if you do actually come down a little bit to maybe 2960, can actually offer a good entry one more time, because that's where the 10 is. So I do believe that if you're doing something like this, you'll eventually have a squeeze from the top here to the bottom, and you can see probably we are on the verge of potential pennant in the making, right? So this pennant, if it's actually in the making, we're going to have to wait 5 more days. So within 5 days, you actually create a nice good pennant, and then from here you could actually pop up and go to that technical target, which is 5646 hopefully. So for me, the bad scenario is, of course, if bonk does come down to 1862. I think if you're above 1862, that's going to be a safe spot, or we can actually mark it as the safe zone for bonk. And yeah, the 4 hour time frame had one little bit of a pattern that got broke, and that was this right over here. It went down, up and down, up and down. You broke above it, you came for the retest, you're moving sideways. Things actually do point up to, back to 4361. So if everything goes good, hopefully we're going to see bonk back up for a 33% move. And that's all for this quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.